Help her.
Oh my God.
Tell us what it is.
Tell us what it is, Mom. Mama.
Stop crying, Mom. Tell us what it is.
I'm going to take you on a date. Your girls are going to send us.
That's amazing.
We bought you tickets to go see your teenage heartthrob.
That's right.
Actually, Rico was mine.
Oh.
Oh no, Paul McCartney.
But he doesn't tour.
Oh my goodness. Oh, that's amazing.
Can you go?
I'd love to go.
Thank you guys.
You're welcome.
Katie's the one who orchestrated it all. We just blend for it. Sorry, they're not front row.
It's my idea.
Yeah, why are they front row?
No, we're
Surprise!
gonna swim. Let's go swim. Now we can swim.
Now we can eat.
Happy birthday, Charlie. Happy Mother's Day at the same time. And happy closing the store.
Happy closing the store.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's a big year for you, Mom.
That is so cool. He better not be sick.
I know, like he is right now.
Let me see. Oh, that's
He's sick now?
amazing. Thank you guys so much.
He said he's supposed to be, he's good for his